Hello traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to use the congestion indicator for MT4 and MT5, although we are going to be focusing on the MT4 platform. If you want to use the MT5 version, you can still download it from the link in the description below. Alright, just follow the link and then you'll see the MT4 and MT5 versions in the same web page. Okay. After downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder, paste the indicator file in there, and then head over to your navigator, head back to your navigator and refresh. All right. After doing that, just look for the congestion indicator. Look for the congestion indicator. The congestion breakout in this case, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then for your inputs, these are the settings, the customizable settings. We have the general settings here, the mode high, low on, maximum bars to display, look back, the trend EMA period, and then we have the alert settings. So guys, this is how the indicator looks like. It is designed to automatically identify consolidation and ranging zones, okay, where price is building momentum. So when the market is consolidating, you want to look out for piercing through the upper line and coming down back, after which you can get your confirmation and sell accordingly. On the other hand, piercing through the lower line and coming back up, after which you want to get your confirmation and execute your buy trade accordingly. All right. Make sure that you always pay attention to your candlestick patterns. Okay, those candlestick patterns should actually be confirmations for you, right? Confirmation signals. Do not just depend on this indicator as a standalone indicator. Okay, remember that no indicator is foolproof. All right. So this is it, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.